Okay, this is section 5.3, question number 5. To answer this question, first of all, you have to know properties from section 5.3. This is the instructor video I created for you, which is available in week 13 instructor video folder. And in this property, as you can see that integration of function f of x from b to a can also be written as negative of integration of the same function from a to b. So when you change the limit of integration from b to b, you just have to put negative sign in front of it. Okay. And one more thing, finding integration of f of x dx, from a to b, this variable x, this is just a notation. This is also true even you use, instead of variable x, let's say you replace that variable by something else, let's say g. If you integrate the very same function using different variable from a to b, then the result will be still same. So this is just a notation for a variable we are using. This variable could be x, could be z, could be something else. Okay, so after knowing this property, let's go back and look at the problem here. We would like to find out the integration of f from 6 to 7, and we have given that integration of f from 6 to 7. So this x here, you can see that is replaced by u. It doesn't matter, that will give you the same answer. Okay, either you say x or u, that will be the same thing. So the answer for this problem is, this is just a property of integration. Next problem, we have to find the integration of square root of 5 f of z. So remember, we know the integration of f. So if you know the integration of f, then integration of f of x or f of z, that's the same thing. So let's go back and check here the property. If you have integration of f and there is a constant, some constant k, then you can always bring that constant outside. That's the constant multiple. So in this problem, so as we know that integration of f of x dx is same as integration of f of z dz, and now there is a square root of 5, so integration of ab square root of 5 f of z dz, that can be written as square root of 5. This is a constant, so you can always bring this constant outside the integration. A to b, in this case it's a 6 to 7 f of z dz. Remember, this is same as f of x dx. So instead of this integration sign, we can also replace this by 6. So the answer would be 6 square root of 5. Now here integration of 6 to 7 is given, which is 6. Here the limit of integration is just flipped, 7 to 6. So if you use order of integration, number one, you just have to put negative sign in front of your value you already have available. So this is negative of this value, so that means it will be negative 6. And now here you can see that there is a negative f of x dx. So this negative is, you can treat this as a negative 1, so you can bring this negative 1 outside, and then this is same as this property, like square root of 5, you bring this outside. Instead of square root of 5, you have negative 1, so you bring that negative 1 outside, and that will give you negative 1 square root of negative 1, the integration of f of x from 6 to 7. So that would be negative 6 again. Okay, that's all.